Hi guys, back with me in tutorial channel, easy tutorial for newbie. Okay, today I will unboxing my order from online shop. This is Binocular. Let's try to unbox this package. Okay, I use scissors here. The packaging with bubble wrap. It's easy to unbox this. Let's try. I will unpack this packaging. Okay. See. Ooh, the monocular it means just one hole. Monocular, waterproof, fog-proof, got hardware. Binocular, Jumelas binocular, frame laser, waterproof and fog-proof. Perfect for boating, yachting, sport, bird watching, auto racing, horse racing, hunting, beach travel. Do not look at the sun directly, otherwise it will hurt your eyes. Okay, let's try to open it. Oh wow. Oh, very big with black cover. Ooh, let's see this. Wow, the cloth, strap cloth, and the binocular. The smell is so good. Oh, okay, this is the day and night validity 66 meter or 8,000 meter or 8 kilometer. Okay guys, that's it my unboxing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe. Bye bye.